I bring to you another episode of analysis again. Just want to explain few things before uh tomorrow morning. You understand? So that we'll know what we are going to focus on. You get? So that we'll know what we are going to focus on. So this analysis I did it on Saturday, right? Yeah, did it on Saturday. And then this is just my prediction. I drew this trend line from what? From daily. I drew this trend line from daily, this particular trend line. I drew this one from daily. You get? Then take this one from 4 hour. I take it from 4 hour. I take this from 4 hour. And then so now see down to 1 hour. So I analyze it in 1 hour finally. So what did I see? I was saying that if the thing break this trend line, then this trend line and then and this place will be in for what? Sell to the downside. You get? That was what I was predicting. You understand? This is just the whole thing. And I switch down to 30 minutes, and I said that if the thing break to the downside and we had a pullback, we'll be in for what? Short. We'll be in for short. If we break to the downside to this point and we had a pullback, we'll be in for short. And true, e break to the downside, we had a pullback of this bullish of this bullish candle, then boom, you understand. Can you see something? And then I was predicting also that if e do otherwise and e break to the upside, then we'll be in for what? Buy to the upside, to the next resistance level, which is at this place. You understand? So now, what am I saying in essence? I was telling you guys that I have studied this pattern for long now. You get? This is one of my A1 strategy. I have studied this pattern for so long now. So please, each time I I talks about this type of pattern, you need to study it. And then maybe you drive out your own your own idea of how you'll be trading it. You get? So I start studying this thing since 2023, and I perfect it since when sef I perfect it last year, 2024. You get? So now everything is jot down. You get? I have a jotter that I jot everything down, like the one that I need to draw, I will draw it. The one that I need to draw and label, I will draw and label many more. This is my jotter. You get? This is my jotters. I jot everything down. I journal everything. I study it. I draw all the patterns and I draw all the drawable, label all the labelable. You get? This is it. So I personally study it. You get? Break and retest. I study it very very well. So anywhere I see that pattern, it's a time to make big money. You understand? It's a time to go full margin. You get? Even if it is, and I'm sure if the next resistance level is not too close or support level is not too close, I'll make not less than 50 to 100 pip if it is currency pair. But for gold is more than that. You get? For gold is more than gold, sometimes 200 pip, 150 pip I used to make from this type of pattern, from this type of pattern. So what did I say? Simple something. Market was around this place that time. See, market was around this place that time. Market was around this place that time, and I said if the thing break, I was even I thought it would break to the upside sef, and I said if it break to the upside we'll be in for buy, and if we break to the downside we'll be in for what? Sell to this level, to this level. Which one? This one, to this level. You get? And it happened like that. You get? Though same thing in gold, you understand, but um I thank God that I everything played out as I predicted. And my next prediction on this JPY is I think it's fine now. So let me clear some things now so that we can see very well. Let me just leave it. We can I'll clear this one, then adjust this one up because I haven't saved it yet. So now, this is my prediction on JPY during New York session. This is my prediction on JPY, and I got this strong resistance support level from 4 hour. You get. So what did I see? Look at what I saw. Look at what I saw on 4 hour. You understand? Look at what I saw on 4 hour. This is a resistance zone, a support zone. I mean to say this is a support zone, and then I'm expecting a buy from this place. That was the reason why I enter for buy. And market was proving very stubborn since then. The thing don't want to go and hit my TP. I don't know why. You get. So this is when I enter the trade. It's still running. This is when I enter the trade. It will be showing on the screen. So anyhow, I'm expecting this market to reach this level before it will start doing otherwise this level. But I might close it at this level. You understand? Because of these things that happen, I might close it at this level. You get? Because when I saw this engulfing candle immediately in 1 hour switch down to 15-minute time frame and gave me the same thing. 15-minute time frame gave me the same thing. Engulfing candle is a big confirmation for me to enter. Though I missed to enter very early. I missed to enter when the market was around this zone. I enter around this place. You understand? So and that was the reason why the thing, like, I'm in loss now in it. You get, because I did not enter very early. You get. So let's see how it plays out. This is my prediction on JPY for now. This is my prediction on JPY for now. And I strongly believe that this will go and hit our TP. You understand? Because this pair, I have studied this pair for long now. So let's see how it goes. Because what I noticed that is pushing this chart to start misbehaving is because of this trend line. It's because of this trend line. You understand? This trend line is because of this trend line. It's because of this trend line. So it's very simple. Just have the knowledge. Get the right person. That's all. Get the right person to teach you. Get the right person that will be your mentor, so that the person will you will follow the person, you study what is working for the person, then you drive out or own this thing. You understand? Then you don't get a strategy like just like that. You have gotten a strategy already. You get, them with time you master it. So it's very simple. And not using indicator. Indicator do work very very well. Indicator works, but I don't use indicator. I just pure naked chart, analyze it, and what the chart give me, I followed it. Pure price action. You get. So this is just a one explanation concerning gold. On Euro USD, GBP USD will be on another episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Just comment your question down below. I'll take my time to reply you. You get. I'll take my time to reply you whatever at all that you don't understand, or whatever area at all in forex trading that is difficult for you. I'm here to answer you understand. So let me know your thought about this thing, and then please don't forget to like, comment, and share. You understand? Most especially subscribe, so that we'll grow this channel to at least as early as possible to 1K subscriber, so that we'll start opening your eyes to freelancer, all those how other business you can do that will be a backup for you as a trader. Plenty things are there that you can do, plenty things. Something like all those working in Upwork, working as a freelancer, as a developer, study all those Python languages and all that. You get many things so that you'll be getting job online. Remember this country we are, if you are not earning in dollar, you are just you are going to be frustrated, especially when the bills is much on you. If you are not earning in dollar, my brother, it's very hard. Even if it is $10, you understand? Even if it is $10, you can be getting in a week, or in, should I say, even if it is you can make $50 per month, you are good to go. You understand? And all this is I'm calling just you have, you charge them, like if you know how to edit videos now, all those website developer, all those things now, videos and the rest, one editing that will take you not less than 1 hour, you'll be charging them $20 already. You understand? $20, $30. Some of them can go as high as $100. You understand? So many things are there for you to learn. Many things are there for you to learn. I will be putting you guys through all those processes and other business, small business that will be helping you in trading. You get? So let's grow this channel so that I will start revealing this secret to as many that can listen to it. The reason why I don't want to start now is this channel is still a young channel. I just want us to get to some level so that I'll start uh, you know opening you guys to all these things. You understand? But if you have any question at all, let me know. If you are confused of what to learn as a backup, what to learn that will be bringing small change for you, just let me know. I'll personally guide you. You understand? So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. All the best.